Most people think success is a lottery. They wait for the one big break that changes everything. But looking at the physics of our universe, they are wrong. Success is not magic. It is a geometric progression. Let's look at the domino effect. A single domino can knock over another domino that is 50% larger. It sounds small, but physics tells a different story. If you start with a domino just 2 inches tall, and every subsequent domino grows by 50%, by the time you reach the 13th domino, you are knocking over a structure that is taller than the Empire State Building. By the 29th domino, you would reach the moon. This is the hidden logic of reality. It is often called the butterfly effect. In chaos theory, a butterfly flapping its wings in Brazil can cause a tornado in Texas weeks later. Small inputs, massive outputs. Your daily habits follow the exact same mathematical rule. If you get 1% better every single day for a year, you don't end up 2 times better. Mathematically, 1.01 to the power of 365 is 37. You become 37 times better. But the reverse is also true. If you get 1% worse, you degrade to almost 0. The universe does not care about your intentions. It only cares about the compound interest of your actions. Stop looking for the giant leap. The physics of success is simple. Just push the first domino and let the math do the rest. Subscribe to Grand Scope. We analyze the formula of reality.